In general, 70% of the equipment in the plant is not monitored at all or monitored by operator lounge. The risk of unplanned shutdown or sudden equipment failure increase in the plant and can lead to financial losses. Conventional operator lounge use procedures that are time consuming and therefore expensive because they require the people to walk by a large amount of equipment dotted through the plant, often in hard to reach locations. But now, LoRaWAN technology can change the world view across the industrial and energy vertical with its ability to provide a long range, low power, and secure communication. LoRaWAN enables remote and online equipment monitoring throughout the plant by connecting many sensors to equipment in order to detect a sign of equipment failure and prevent unexpected shutdowns. Yokogawa leverages the power of LoRaWAN in an industrial IoT wireless device, the Sushi Sensor. When deployed throughout the plant, the Sushi Sensor can gauge the equipment health by monitoring characteristics such as vibration, pressure, temperature. For example, a safety valve that bends the pressure of devices and the piping may experience a heat leakage under certain conditions. Without early detection, operation must be stopped immediately to repair the equipment, which slows the production and lessens output. Deploying the LoRaWAN enables the sensor, improves the plant efficiency, keeps the equipment healthy and productive, and maximize the profit of the plant. By leveraging the advantage of the LoRaWAN based wireless technology, Yokogawa supports its customers' financial security by protecting their equipment investment and supporting the most efficient operations.